How to fix failed to load steamui.dll error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First open Start and type %appdata%. Click on App Data. Open Local folder. Delete Steam folder. Now restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. Hope your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open File Explorer. Open this PC. Open local disk C. Open this folder. Open Steam folder. Open steam.exe file. Right-click and click on Properties. Open Compatibility tab. Select Run this program in compatibility mode. Select Windows 8 and press Apply and then OK. Hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.